We recently purchased a single burner Camp Cheff stove, and I expected it to have a electronic igniter on it. To my surprise, it didn't come with an electronic igniter, so I purchased an electronic igniter, and I'm going to install this today. So I know you don't care about it unpackaging, so give me a minute. I'm going to unpackage this thing, and then we're going to install it on the stove. Alright, so for the record, here's what comes in the package. So you have your igniter, you have your bracket. These screws here, I guess you use if you have a round face, which we have a round face. If you have a flat face, I guess you mount the bracket with this. And those nuts, no doubt. Here's the push button for the igniter. And this is going to work with this and this. And I don't know quite yet what that is. We'll start putting it together and see if I need it. We'll go from there. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is straighten out this igniter wire so we can put it through the hole. And I guess the most important thing is to not crack that insulator. There we go. Put that up there like that. Might bend that up out of the way. I'll bend it the way it needs to be in a minute. There we go. Then we're going to take these self-tapping screws, stick them in the pre-drilled holes, and tighten that down. Like so. And like so. There we go. Alright, then we need to take this piece here and slide this over the wire there. This goes up through here and snaps into place. Is that right? Yep. Should just push up in there and snap. There we go. That should be like that. Alright, then from there we can bend this wire again. And again, try not to crack that insulator. And you want to have this just above one of these holes and this little rim you see right here. That might work right there. Let's just push that and see what happens. Yeah, can you see that spark? Let's go ahead. Alright, let's go ahead and turn the fuel on the tank. Give it some fuel on the gauge. See what we get. Whew. Yes, sirree. We have flame. We're going to try it again just because. There we go. We're going to turn it off. Alright, there you go. All installed. Doesn't get much easier than that. If you got anything out of this video, how about a thumbs up? Hit that subscribe button down below. As always, have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.